Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is, who is Saul? King Saul, chosen by grace, not by merit. Saul was the first king of Israel before he became king. He was an ordinary man looking for his father's lost donkeys. But God had already chosen him. The Lord told Samuel, the prophet, that Saul would be the one that to lead his people. When Samuel anointed Saul, it shows that God had chosen him not because he earned it, but because of God's plan and grace. God even gave Saul a new heart and empowered him by His Spirit so he could lead well. Samuel first, Saul showed humility. He even hid among the baggage when he was presented as king. Saul has a good beginning. He was chosen by God, helped by grace, by God, and given everything he needed to succeed. But later in his life, Saul stopped trusting and obeying God. He began to rely on his own decisions instead of God's word. Saul's life reminds us that God is sovereign in choosing leaders and working out his purposes. It also shows that outward blessing and good kings are not enough. True faith must continue in obedience. Saul's failure points us that need for better king, one who would perfectly obey God. The king is Jesus Christ. Saul's stories teaches us that starting well is important, but finishing well is in faithful obedience is what truly matters. So, ayun po sa 1 Samuel chapter 9 verse 15 to 17. So, verse 15 lang po babasahin ko. Now the day before Saul came, the Lord had revealed this to Samuel. So, ayun po sa ating katuruan, God chooses people for His specific purpose and mission. Ibig sabihin, hindi random ang buhay natin. God intentionally chooses people para sa particular na role o assignment. Kahit po natin ordinary lang tayo, may unique calling si God para sa bawat isa. And God uses ordinary moments for extraordinary purpose. Yung mga normal na pangyayari sa araw-araw, conversation, meeting, struggles, or even delays, pwedeng maging instrument ni God para sa mas malaking plano. And God set its divine appointed in advance to accomplish His plan. So, may mga pagkakataon na akala natin coincidence lang, pero actually, God already arranged it beforehand. And sa ating naman pong applications, believe that all have assignments from God. And be sensitive to God's providential appointments. And be ready to be powered by God's Spirit. And yun lang po, maraming salamat.